This short video walks you through how to adjust the language settings on your iMonnit account. There are a number of ways to change your language settings on the interface. The methods we'll cover here all change the language site-wide for the entire account. For instructions on how to adjust language settings for an individual user, watch the video titled Adjusting User Language Settings in iMonnit. iMonnit supports the following language options: English, Spanish, French, Polish, German, and Korean. The first method is on the form when creating your account. Scroll down to the bottom to change the language. The second way is available on the login screen. Directly above where you can download the iMonnit app is a drop-down menu to choose your language preference before logging in. The third and last option is to change your language on the Account Preferences page. Find Settings in the main menu. Navigate to the top of the Settings section and choose the button for Preferences. Find Language in the list of options and choose the drop-down menu to select your language preference. Thanks for watching. For more how-to videos, visit monnit.com/support.